Okay guys, problem number 2 from the extra credit. If you are watching this video, it's because you tried the problem already. That means you have an idea of what I'm doing. If you haven't, please go there, take your time, work on the problem, and then come back to it. And I'm gonna do problem number 2, which is ordering of operation. We have exponent, we have division, and we have subtraction here. We know that the first thing that we do is the exponent. And what is 4 over 5 to the second power? It is only 4 over 5 times 4 over 5. 4 times 4 is 16. 5 times 5 is 25. We solve the operation that has exponent there. We're gonna rewrite the whole thing. 14 minus 3 divided by 16 over 25. Now we need to do the division. We know that in order to complete the division, we need to find the reciprocal of the divisor. The reciprocal of 16 over 25 will be 25 over 16. When we find our reciprocal, the operation that was a division will become a multiplication. And now we have 14 minus 3 times 25 over 16. We know the denominator of the 3 is a 1. And this is because 3 divided by 1 is 3. Now we're gonna do the multiplication. 25 times 3 is 75. And 1 times 16 is 16. The 14 stay there the same. We do not touch it yet. And 3 times 25 is 75. 1 times 16 is 16. Now we're doing a subtraction there. The denominator of the 14, as in the previous problem, is 1. And we need to find the least common denominator, LCD, which is 16, between 1 and 16. In order to have like fraction, we need to multiply the first fraction times 16. Now 14 times 16, that will give us 224. Then we will have 224 divided by 16 minus 75 divided by 16. We have like fraction. We can do the subtraction in the top. 224 minus 75 will give us 149 divided by 16. 149 divided by 16 is an improper fraction that we could convert to mixed number. 149 divided by 16, we know 9 times 16 will give us 144, and we have 5 left. Then our mixed number will be 9 and 5 over 16. That will be our mixed number. That in this case is the result. Okay guys, we're done with number 2. We're gonna move on to number 3. If you have a question about this, please feel free to ask in the comment or refer to the previous video for you to have the knowledge about how to do other operations.